Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover on your video in CapCut. So once you have set up your video, all you want to do is add a voiceover. You need to click just this microphone button right there. Just go ahead, press on it. After that you will have these options. So you're going to choose your input device. After that you can choose your volume. And then echo reduction, so you can turn on to avoid echo from the speaker. Now you can mute all the other clips if you want to, and you can also enhance the voice if you have CapCut Pro. Now, after all of these, you want to go ahead and press this button and just start recording the video. And now it starts, and as you can see, it now records my voice through the whole video, and that's pretty much how you can do this. Now let's wait a little bit for it to end. Here it is. Now you can go ahead and stop it. Now we can just go ahead and turn it off, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it till the end, just like so. And now you will have your voiceover. If you want to go ahead and add some captions, you can go ahead and do that. So now to add the captions, you're going to press on captions and auto captions, press generate. And that's how you add voiceover on CapCut. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, leave a like, and I will see you next time. Bye.